Hello, today we are going to remove the wheel on a Honda CB750 Nighthawk. First we're going to take our 12 millimeter and we're going to break free the caliper bolts and pull the caliper out of the way once the bolts are removed. So once I've got the caliper out of the way, I'm going to take a 22 millimeter wrench and I am going to remove the axle bolt. So now we will loosen the pinch bolts on the forks. I use a number 2 Craftsman Phillips screwdriver to pull Honda uh, axles out of the forks. It works pretty good. And we just have to wiggle that speedo cable out of the way. Now with the new tire on, we're going to line up and install our speedo mechanism. And once we get our wheel into place, we're going to put a lightly greased axle back in. As you see, the Craftsman number 2 Phillips screwdriver works pretty good for manipulating an axle when working on these older Hondas. So now that we've got our axle bolt tightened down in place, we are going to go ahead and take our 12 millimeter and tighten down our pinch bolts on the front forks. And then we'll line up our caliper and slide it over the brake rotor. We're going to put in our caliper bolts and we'll tighten those down. So I hope you've enjoyed another one of my videos. Please do watch more. Thank you.